Hi there, students. Dilatory. Dilatory, an adjective. Dilatorily, an adverb. Dilatory means intentionally delaying. Intended to cause delay so that you can gain time. To stall for time, to waste time, to hinder. So my team were 1-0 up with 5 minutes to go in the match. So they used dilatory tactics. They did everything possible to slow the match down as much as possible, to waste the time so that the other team didn't have a chance of scoring. Not very sportsmanlike. In Parliament, sometimes the opposition use dilatory strategies to make the government run out of time when passing their legislation. He is very dilatory in his work because he hates his job. You know, one of these jobs that you hate doing it, so you do it as slowly as possible. You know they're not going to sack you, but you're not keen and enthusiastic. You take as many coffee breaks and toilet breaks as possible. You stop whenever you can, being dilatory. You're just waiting for the day to end. We can also use this word dilatory to just mean slow, always delayed, always arriving late. So, for example, some nationalities have a reputation for their dilatory nature. My wife is always very dilatory when using the bathroom. The dilatory way some people do things can be very frustrating. So dilatory, delaying, loitering, time wasting, procrastination, playing for time, stalling, or just slow, tardy, late. I am very often dilatory about answering questions because I like to think before I speak. Or maybe legal processes are very dilatory by their very nature. My friend is always very dilatory when it comes to paying bills. He delays them as long as possible. Maybe we should take a dilatory look before we leap. Delay slowly, delay on purpose, and think about it first. A day late and $1 short. This sounds like dilatory action, which is too little, too late. Stop being so dilatory and just get on with it. Okay? So, next question. What about formality? I think I'd probably give this word dilatory 7.5, 8 in formality. It sounds very literary and formal. I wouldn't use it in an informal conversation. Great for an essay. Informally, delaying, stalling, playing for time, something like that, or just slow. Okay, what about the origin? Well, there is a Latin word, dilatorius, meaning extending, putting off till later. But notice, etymologically speaking, this word is related to dilate, to become larger or wider. It's not actually etymologically related to the word to delay. So, dilatory. Intentionally delaying, slowing things down, or just slow. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Dilatory.